Hello everyone, I'm Mindy. Here's my audience. Before I start my presentation, let me ask you a question. Do you know about the HSR and have you ever traveled by it? So here is a picture of the HSR. Here it is. Yes. The HSR is the fast developing in the world, especially in some countries such as China, Japan, and some European countries. It is considered as the most environmental friendly and economic promoting mode of transportation in the world. And as a citizen of China and also a business major student, getting to know about the change in the world is important. I have read some news about the Obama's government HSR plans and conduct some research through Google about it. So in this presentation, I will talk about three things about the HSR, which is how the HSR changed the way people are living in Japan, the US, and China. Firstly, I would introduce the Shinkansen as an example of HSR in Japan. There's an interesting study I found on the internet that they study about the sleep case. They are most happen majorly in the Shinkansen areas such as Kyushu and Tokyo. And also there's another interesting phenomenon of language use in Japan. In working places, employees describe being set up for lack of as motogiwa, which means sitting next to the window. In this point, it shows that Shinkansen has great influence, cultural influence of language that people use the situation on the train to describe the situation they have in their life. Okay. Secondly, I will talk about the Obama's HSR plan. The Obama's government is focused on persuading people to vote for the Americans' HSR plan. The plan has two steps that include upgrading existing train systems and building a new high train system. This is in the beginning of the plan. The government wants to use $8 billion to improve the rail system to raise the speed from 70 miles per hour to 100 miles per hour. It will hopefully to create many job opportunities. The next step is building a 100 to 600 miles of railway system in different areas in the United States. Finally, I will talk about the HSR relationship with the Chinese people. Chinese is the third biggest country in the world with the areas of land, and it is majorly depends on the trains for transportation. I would say China is built on the trend of rail, like people describe US as the country built on the cars rail. I think the reason why people in China refer to travel by train is based on the deep relationship. In the Chinese society, friends and families is the basic society structure. A construction and holding the relationship are important to them. So it is nowhere that people who would like to choose HSR not for traveling, but because the HSR has been a part of their life and help them bond their relationship stronger than in the trips. For the conclusion, from this presentation, you have known about HSR in different countries, areas in different areas. So let me end up this presentation with a question. How do you think about HSR play the role in the future? So I think it is worth everyone here to think about that. Thank you.